What's good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading traders. Right now I'm heading out to the airport. I have to be there in the next 2.5 something hours. I'm heading over to Dubai, guys, for the Forex Expo and so many more things, guys. So stick around, watch this video from the start to the end, because I'm going to be bringing you more good stuff around Dubai, guys. When I mention Dubai, most of you guys think Dubai, this is a country where people are just going to tour around, take pictures and all this. Guys, this is a country where people are making billions of dollars every single day. Not even millions of dollars, but in a country like that, if it's easy for a forex trader like me to socialize and make connections, these are big connections, guys, that can make me millions and millions of dollars, So guys, stick around, watch this video from the start to the end. Guys, so I just got to the airport, but what I'm seeing is it's not looking good, Guys, look at this jam. There is jam all the way from here up to there, somewhere there. These cars are very many. I think reason why most of the flights now are leaving literally at the same time. Like Uganda Airlines is leaving at the same time as Emirates, and all this. And guys, I'm going to be using Uganda Airlines. Reason why, this is first of all our national carrier, So why would I give money to Emirates yet I can give it to our Ugandan Airlines? Though it comes with disadvantages. Actually, I'm supposed to use Emirates, but today I wanted to. This is my first time using Uganda Airlines, so let's see what Uganda Airlines has for me today. Yo guys, so I've already gone through immigration, checking, already have my boarding pass and everything. So now I think my flight leaves in the next 3 hours. So I'm just going to be, I'm going to head over to the duty free and then see what I can get there. Yeah, so guys, stick around as I'm enjoying this flight, as you can see, traders. So guys, right now I'm just ready for my flight. I think board's in the next probably 2 something hours. But I'm now at the cafeteria. I ordered fruits and water, which costed me around $10. Obviously that is pocket change for a trader. Boom, like this, you make 100 just in seconds. But anyway guys, all I can say, I'm grateful. Guys, you know what time it is? It's time to board the plane, as you can see. Next stop, Dubai. Guys, I don't know why I'm in the middle. I booked a window seat which is supposed to be around that side, right there, or the other side, or the other side right there. But I don't know why I'm in the middle. So guys, I was able to get a window seat, as you can see. One of the flight attendants was able to hook me up with this seat, as you can see. I can't book a window seat and then I get a middle seat, So guys, let's see what the skies have for us, as you can see. I'm actually feeling quite of a headache, because anytime when I'm traveling, I don't know, I have these migraines, But anyway guys, let's see. Guys, don't ask me why I'm in the economy class. I paid as much as the business class costs because I got this flight yesterday. So, meaning demand and supply. If you understand demand and supply strategy, then you understand why I paid very much for this flight. Anyway, it was a last minute flight, and then again, if you're traveling today or tomorrow and you buy the ticket today, the price is crazy, you know. So, I paid almost $900 for this. I would have paid for this flight, I think, a week ago, and I would have gotten business class. But anyway, next time it will be business class. Let's enjoy the flight. Guys, and I was able to make more than $1,400 on this plane, guys. Imagine. So I'm using the Forex funder as my prop firm. I'm funded with them, guys. Make sure to get to be funded. Use the link below, guys. I think by the time when I landed, I had made more than $3,000 in profits. Yeah, get funded right now. So guys, I landed at around I think 9ish at Dubai International Airport Terminal 2. Obviously I was using an airline, so it doesn't land at Terminal 3, it lands at Terminal 2 or Terminal 1. So then I love the check-in at the immigration. You just scan your passport at one-time immigration machine, and then boom, you're already in the country. You don't need to line up like in Uganda. So I ordered a Karim taxi. It's alternative for Uber. This was a 2023 Lexus, guys. 300. This costs around 180,000 dirhams. That is almost 87 million Uganda shillings. That's a lot. Guys, so I booked a hotel. It's called Seated Diners. It was in Al Jadaf. As you can see, this is a hotel, very luxurious. As you can see, I was on the highest floor. You know, the higher the floor, yes, executive room. Guys, this is my room right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Guys, I'm really tired. I've just arrived, and tomorrow, that is when we have the expo, guys. So I'll be giving you a tour of this room. But for the meantime, I'm very tired. I need to drink something. I need to eat something. Actually, I need to first take a taxi, go out and eat something, you know. But again, this is the room. As you can see, it's very beautiful. As you can see, yeah, with a nice balcony. Where is it? Nice balcony. Look at this, guys. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you an update. By the time I left the plane, I think I had made more than $3,000, and I made one extra 1K from just my phone right there. With the Forex funder, guys. So I didn't even go out to get food. I just ordered for food and brought it to my hotel room because I was very tired, and it was almost, I think, 11 in the night. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'll catch you tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe. More and more content is coming in. Fire, guys. A lot of videos around Dubai. I'm also going to be buying my supercar. Bye bye.